Hello everybody. Today, Inspiration Academy, we are meeting you with our second video or else the first educational video. So without wasting our time, let's begin. This video is mostly important for our grade 8 friends because from this video we are going to do ICT Unit 1 number system lesson for the grade 8 friends. Computers can't understand the data or information provided in human language. That is a normal fact which we all know. Computers understand data and instructions which are provided by the humans to the computer as digits. It means our computers understand the data or the instructions provided by us as digits. Data and instructions like text, audio, image, video are gone to the computer in this manner. What is a number system? Simply, a method which can be used to represent numbers is a number system. So here are 4 number systems with their details. Let's check them. Binary number system, the symbols are 0 and 1. The base is 2. In octal number system, the symbols are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The base is 8. In decimal number system, the symbols are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The base is 10. In hexadecimal number system, every number from 0 to 9 and the English alphabetical letters from A to F are the symbols, while the base is 16. So, it is clear that the number of symbols is the base. It means, for an example, let's take the binary number system. 0 and 1. There are 2 symbols. So, its base is 2. Now let's talk about decimal number system. The human familiar number system is the decimal number system. Symbols are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now let's see how to expand a decimal number. If you wish, you can pause the video and expand it and check your answers from starting our video. So here is abacus and we have 122 in this abacus and there are place values. Here are the place values, the powers of 10. We have taken the place values from 10 because decimal number system's base is 10. So let's see how to expand it. The number of balls should be multiplied by its place value. 1 times 10 squared plus 2 times 10 to the power 1 plus 2 times 10 to the power 0. 10 to the power 2 means 100. Any number to the power 1 means that same number. Any number to the power 0 means 1. So 100 plus 20 plus 2, it's 122. In decimal number system, at the end, we are getting the same number as the final when we expand. Now let's talk about the binary number system. Now you know the symbols are 0 and 1. The word binary digit, the 2 words binary digit, form a single word as bit, which means the smallest unit of data of the computer. Now let's expand a number from the binary number system. Here is the number which we are going to expand. 1, 0, and 1. The place values are from 2 to the powers because the place values are from like that because the binary number system's base is 2. So as before, the number of balls should be multiplied by its place value. 1 times 2 squared plus 0 times 2 to the power 1 plus 1 times 2 to the power 0. 2 squared means 4. Any number to the power 1 means that same number. Any number to the power 0 means 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. In binary number system, when we expand a number, we are getting another number, not the same number which we expand. And also in decimal number system, as it's the human familiar number system, it's not compulsory to put the base as 10. But in binary number system, it's compulsory to put the base as 2. Now let's talk about bit and byte. 1 nibble equals 4 bits. 1 byte equals 8 bits. 1 KB or 1 kilobyte equals 1000 bytes. 1 megabyte equals 1000 KB. 1 gigabyte equals 1000 megabytes. 1 TB or 1 terabyte equals 1000 gigabytes.
Let's go for converting binary numbers to decimal numbers. Here you can see two examples. We should multiply the given numbers from the place values of binary numbers like 2 to the power 0 or 2 to the power 1. We are multiplying from the right side to the left side. So 2 to the power 0 means 1. Our first digit is 1. So it is 1 into 1 that equals 1. Next one is 2 to the power 1. It means 2. So our second number is 0. So it is 0 into 2 and the answer is 0. Here next we can see our number is 1 while its place value is 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 means 2 into 2 and that is equal to 4. So our third number 1 should be multiplied by 4. 1 into 4 equals 4. At last we have 1. So it is place value is 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2 that is 8. So 8 should be multiplied by 1 times 8 and that is 8. So as the final step, we should add the values which we got by multiplying by the place value. We should do this as previous. 0 should be multiplied by 2 to the power 0. It means by 1. So 0 into 1 that is 0. 1 should be multiplied by 2 to the power 1. It means by 2. So 1 into 2 that is 2. Last number 1 should be multiplied by 2 to the power 2. It's 4. 1 into 4 it's 4. Now add the values we obtained. The decimal equivalent of 110 is 6.
Now let's discuss how to convert decimal numbers to binary numbers. As the base of binary number system is 2, we should divide the given number by 2 until we get 0. And we should put the remainder amount in front of the number and we should finally get the numbers below 2 up, and that number which is made of 1 or 0 will be the binary equivalent of the given decimal numbers. Now we will see some examples. 43 divided by 2, 21 remaining 1. So we have to put the remaining numbers after the answer. So 21 divided by 2, 10 remaining 1. 10 divided by 2, 5 remaining 0. So we put 0. 5 divided by 2, answer is 2 remaining 1. 2 divided by 2, 1 remaining 0, 1 divided by 2, 0 remaining 1. So the answer is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. The base is 2. Now let's see another example. 24. 24 divided by 2, 12 remaining 0. 12 divided by 2, 6 remaining 0. 6 divided by 2, 3 remaining 0. 3 divided by 2, 1 remaining 1. 1 divided by 2, 0 remaining 1. So the answer is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. The base is 2. Now I think you can understand how to converting binary numbers to decimal numbers.
So this is the end of the first lesson, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also like, share and comment the lessons which you wish from us. Inspiration Academy, beginning of a new decade. Have a nice day.